Step 8. Check your shopping cart summary. Before clicking Proceed to Checkout button again, we have to summarize and check first the items that we've added to our shopping cart a while ago, by simply looking one by one in each area. In Shopping Cart Summary, there are 7 areas to check for: Product Area, Description Area, Availability Area, Unit Price Area, QTY Area, Total Area, and Vouchers Area. In the Product Area, shows the picture of the item that you've added to your shopping cart, where the picture of the item is spinach. In the Description Area, shows the title of the item that you've added to your shopping cart, where the title of the item is Spinach 1/4 kilogram. In the Availability Area, you will see a rectangular icon, In Stock, which it represents the availability of the item. But we have to take note that there are 2 types of in-stock rectangular icon that you may encounter. Depends on the item that you choose for. There are green and orange. If green in-stock icon, the item is currently available, and you may purchase it. While orange in-stock icon, item is not currently available, but can still be ordered. In the Unit Price Area, shows the price of the item that you've added to your shopping cart, where the price of the spinach is worth 65 pesos. In the QTY Area, shows the quantity of the item, in which you may remain or change its value. By simply clicking minus icon, which is subtract, or plus icon, which is add. But in this example, I want 2 pieces of spinach, so I remain its value. In the Total Area, shows the overall total price of the purchased item. A while ago, I added 2 pieces of spinach that cost 65 pesos each. Now it's already multiplied, and it will cost a total price of 130 pesos. Beside Total Area, you will see a small trash can icon, which it represents delete. Click the trash can icon if you want to remove the item on your shopping cart summary, or cancel your transaction. But in this case, we don't have any problem on the item, so we will skip on that. In the Vouchers Area, is optional, in which you may input a promo code. Came from Organic Veggie Mommies, that was sent on to your email, or notification box. Click OK button if you've already input a promo code. Once you are done viewing and satisfied to your shopping cart summary, on the lower right corner, click Proceed to Checkout button to continue in the next tab.